Look who it is! It's Hector, along with his dear friend Petal. She's a cycle, and Hector built her himself. He's such a clever truck, isn't he? Hi, Hector. Hello, Petal. Isn't it a beautiful morning? Oh, don't cry, Petal. Hector, can you do something to help? Let's build an ambulance. We'll start with the chassis. To this, we'll add the body. Don't forget the bumper. 2 tires on either side. What next, Hector? Oh yes, the doors. Let's put them on correctly. 1 and 2. 1 big, bright, loud siren so everyone knows when an ambulance is approaching. And last but not least, 2 mirrors on both sides. There, our ambulance is ready. Well, hello there, Stitch. Are you ready to help Petal?
Yes!
Oh, yippee! Petal is as good as new. Thanks, Stitch. Good job, Hector. See you next time. It's a wonderful morning, and there's Petal. Have you met Rocket? He's a motorcycle, and Hector's good friend. Hector built him too, just like Petal. Oh no, the road is all broken. However will you pass? Can you help Petal and Rocket, Hector? We will have to build a bulldozer. Let's start with the chassis. Add the body of the bulldozer. Now add the push frames on either side. What should we add next, Hector? Oh yes! 2 wheels on either side. Do you know what these are called? These are the wings. Oh! The mirrors on both sides. Hector, it looks like we are missing an important part of the truck. Wherever can it be? Uh-oh! Hector, the bucket is right behind you. Oh! Let's take the bucket back and attach it to the body of the bulldozer. Hello? Hello? Scooper, can you help us fix the road? Oh, thank you, Scooper. You've done a great job. Whee! Uh-oh. Oh dear, the road isn't ready yet. Hector, we now need to build a concrete mixer. Let's start with the chassis. Now add the body. A gray bumper in the front. 4 wheels on either side. A yellow platform where the drum will be placed. Now the most important part, where the magic takes place. Now this gray part to keep the drum in place. Red, green, yellow headlights on top of the body. Lastly, the mirrors on both sides. Hello, Sealer. Could you help us? Whee-hee! You've done such a great job, Sealer. Thank you. The road is not ready yet, Petal and Rocket. Just one last step to a brand new road. Let's make a road roller, Hector. Let's attach the body to the chassis. Wings on the back. 2 big gray wheels under the wings. 2 mirrors on both the sides. An orange frame in the front to hold the cylinder. Now, let's add the cylinder. But which one is it? Is it this one? No. What about this one? Well, that just leaves this one, the cylinder. Let's add this to the body. Hi, Squish. Can you help fix our road? Great job, Squish. Thank you so much. There, Petal and Rocket, your road is ready. Thank you, Hector. See you next time.
Oh, look! It's Little Red and Little Pink. But what's that? Oh my, it's a slippy banana peel. Little Red has had a very big spin. Oh, that was scary. Do you think Hector can help? Of course Hector can help. The road needs to be cleaned, and for that, Hector needs to make Stinky the garbage truck. But what parts do we need? There's the truck bed, and then the cabin, and the bumper. There's the wing mirrors, and a special blinky light on the roof. 2 more blinkies on the front of the cabin, and 2 wheels on one side, and 2 wheels on the other side. Ta-da! Stinky the garbage truck is ready to go. No, he's not. Something's missing. Let's see what it is here. Could it be a front-end scooper? No. Could it be a backloader? Nope, it's the big box on the back for all of Stinky stuff. Hooray! Now, let's get to work and clean that street. It will be much safer for Little Red and Little Pink and for everybody else. All done. Thank you, Stinky. Bye-bye, everybody. Hello, Wheeler. Oh my, you look nervous. What's wrong? Oh, I see there's so much traffic. It's scary crossing the intersection. Maybe Hector can help. There's Hector now. Hector, Wheeler is scared to cross the intersection because of all the traffic. What we need is a traffic light. Can you help us build one? That's great. Thank you. Now, the piece that we'll need first is a pole. It's very tall, isn't it? Next, we'll need 3 blinky lights colored green, yellow, and red. These go in our traffic light, and the traffic light goes on top of the pole. Ta-da! Now, when the red light shines, cars that see that light need to stop. And if the green light shines, cars that see that light know that it's safe to go. The yellow light means, I'm about to change from red to green. Oh, look, here comes a big truck. He sees the red light and he stops. At the same time, the green light flashes in the other direction. That's for you, Wheeler. So Wheeler knows that it's safe to drive on. Bye-bye, Wheeler. Drive safely.